First question I want to ask you, Toni, is tell me about how in the world did you get started in this business of
How did I
Medicare?
get started explaining Medicare?
Mhm.
It's a miracle that I got started explaining Medicare because I was working with an insurance company going around doing Medicare supplements, Medicare Advantage plans, meeting with clients, helping them out. And I was doing a workshop at Golden Corral and people would come in. Well, this one gentleman came in and he didn't need my help. I thought, oh, great. You got to have Part A and Part B to get a Medicare Advantage plan at least, or a Medicare supplement. He had already done all of his job, and he said he called Social Security and they told him he didn't need Part B. So that was not a sale for me that day. How did I know that Mr. Davis would change my whole life? So he calls me back about a month later, and he had gone in the hospital and had a stent put in his heart. It cost him $10,000. What happened was when he called Social Security, see, Medicare doesn't know how to enroll you in Medicare. Social Security does all the enrolling. So he's talking to this person on the phone with Social Security. He uses company insurance. He was on retirement benefits. And the person on Social Security said, turn your card over, sign it, and send it back in. And they would take away his Part B because he did not want to pay the Part B premium at that time. He didn't think he needed it. He went in the hospital, had a stent put in his heart, and Cigna charged him, had to pay the $10,000. Well, he used the wrong wording. He should have said, I have retirement benefits with Social Security, not company. Wrong word. And I said, I know what that answer is. So I took what's called the Medicare and You Handbook. Everybody gets these every year. They have to get to us by October the 1st in our mailbox. Well, you think that's so we understand what's going on for next year for Medicare? No, it's because in the back of the book is all the Medicare Advantage plans for your area. So it's all about marketing. And I knew the answer. I took the Medicare and You Handbook and put it in people terms. And 3 weeks later, I had a book written, Medicare Survival Guide. And that's how I got started. I took my book over to the Houston Chronicle, and now each week I am the Medicare person in the newspaper. What is your question? I pretty much can answer it, or we can find what your answer is. But there's more to this than trying to find a plan. Once somebody turns 65, you wait. You're bombarded. There's 65 million people on Medicare right now. There's over 10,000 turning 65 every day. One person every 8 seconds is turning 65 a day. And the call centers are from the Philippines, Jamaica, India, China, you name it. You can't get enough calls. We are walking dollar signs because of, they can buy Medicare supplement, Medicare Advantage plan, long-term care, retirement planning, dental, vision, life insurance, whatever. It's just a market. So I took the book and I explained it, and that's how I got started.